Hey everybody, it's Ron Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make Persian Maygoo Polo. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one brown onion. And all we want to do is finely dice this. Just like so. So just into a pan on a medium heat, we'll add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'll be doing my recipe based on 500 grams of prawns. So these come already deveined. If not, you need to devein them. Now I'm going to leave the tails on because it looks nicer like that. Now you can cook them like this, but what I like to do is get a very sharp small paring knife and just butterfly it down like that, just so it opens up. So this is what I do in my restaurants. It makes the prawns much more attractive. So we'll go ahead and do that first, but as I said, you don't have to. Now we'll add our onions straight in. So we just want to continue cooking our onion until they're softened and brown. Once your onions are brown, we'll add our prawns straight in. And you want to make sure your pan's hot when you add them in. And we're going to season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. So guys, as you can see the prawns, see how nicer they look when you butterfly them? That's why I said to do that. So we want to continue cooking until it's cooked all the way through. Prawns only take about 1 or 2 minutes on a high heat to cook. Alright, so once the prawns go nice and white like that, it indicates they're cooked all the way through. So we'll turn our heat to low, and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And just want to mix that through. So guys, after about a minute, that tomato paste should be nice and mixed. What I'm going to do now is add in 4 cups of cooked rice. So this is just cooked Persian rice. I'll leave a link in the description on how I make it. All you want to do is just mix that through. And at this point we're going to add in about a 1/4 cup of a mix of chopped parsley and chopped coriander. Now I know a lot of you hate coriander, so you can just do parsley if you want. And we just want to cook that together for a couple of minutes until it's nice and combined. Okay, that's looking good. So what I'm going to do now is add in about a tablespoon of saffron water. Let's give that a mix through. Alright, let's serve. So that's all there is to it. It's a nice variation from the traditional white rice, so it's very nice for a special occasion or a dinner party. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.